Number 23, circle A, shown, is defined by the equation x plus 2 squared plus y squared equals 9. Circle B, not shown, is the result of shifting circle A down 6 units and increasing the radius so that the radius of circle B is 2 times the radius of circle A. Which equation defines circle B? This is one of those equations that, and problems that equation of a circle looks so complicated when you don't have the knowledge. But once you have the knowledge about how to find the equation of a circle, it's like, oh, easy peasy, and you can show off and be like, look at me with my fancy circle knowledge. So here's how it works. It is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared, I always write too big, run out of room, equals r squared. This is an equation for any circle in which the center of the circle, the center is going to be hk, so the opposite of whatever those two are, because this is, if this is positive, this will be negative. If this is negative, this will be positive. So it's the opposite of those. And then r is the radius. And that's it. So if you get a fancy equation like x minus 5 squared plus y plus 2 squared equals 16, you're going to look at it and go, all right, I know this is an equation for a circle with a center of positive 5, negative 2, and a radius, since this is r squared, I need to take the square root, a radius of 4. All circles follow this pattern. Now, some of the problems that they will give you, they don't put it in this, it's just a heads up, they don't put it in this format, and you have to put it into that format, which involves a process called completing the square. And I've never met a student yet that likes it, and I don't blame them. But yeah, I'll put a link to videos I have on completing the square down below. It's not applicable to this problem, but it is often applicable to SAT circle problems, just FYI. Now for this equation, for this circle, we're told the equation is x plus 2 squared plus y squared equals 9. And this is circle A. So just looking at this equation, I can tell I have my center and my radius. I'm just going to do it like that and not write everything out. Okay, so my center needs to be the opposite of this for the x value, so negative 2. And there isn't any number next to the y, so it's just 0, like y minus 0 squared. Now my radius is going to be the square root of this because this is radius squared. The square root of 9 is 3, so the radius of this is 3. Now they want us to write the equation for circle B. So to do that, I need to know the center of circle B and I need to know the radius of circle B. And then I can write that equation. We are told it is the result of shifting a circle A down 6 units. So the x value doesn't change. The center is just going down 6 units. So the x stays the same, but this 0 is going to go down 6 to negative 6. And it says the radius of circle B is 2 times the radius of circle A. Well, the radius of circle A was 3, so 2 times that would be 6. And now I have all the information I need to write the equation of circle B. It's going to be x and negative 2, I'm going to put the opposite of that, plus 2 squared, plus y, again, negative 6, write the opposite, plus 6 squared is going to be equal to the radius squared. 6 squared is 36. So x plus 2 squared plus y plus 6 squared equals 36. Now that is the equation of this circle. Now, look at what they've done over here. Do you see any that say 36? No. They've chosen to write them as 4 times 9, 9, 4 times 9, and 9. It's silly. It's honestly silly. The reason they're doing this with this 4 times 9 is because this is 3, the radius is 3, and the radius squared is 9. So they're saying if it's twice that, but then you're squaring both of them, it would be this squared times this squared. 9 times 4. That's why. Ain't that silly? But, you know, don't let it throw you. We know it's 36. So when you see 4 times 9, you go, well, 4 times 9 is 36. So I already know that these two are out, the ones that just say 9. Now let me look at those others very carefully. And I see x plus 2 for both of them. Ah, here's the difference. One is plus 6, one is minus 6. And so we're going to very cautiously and carefully look and plus 6. A is the right one. A is my answer. Hey guys, head over to my new site, mathwithalyssa.com, to get your free, yes, free 10-video course of SAT tips and tricks. It covers things like how to make a study plan that's perfect for you, how to pace yourself during the test to get maximum points, and so much more. I'm super excited to get this out to you guys, and a lot more SAT prep help is coming for you in the weeks ahead. Again, that is mathwithalyssa.com. And if you liked the video you just watched, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.